Jesus Christ, mate.
So I'm all ready to go out now. It is just gone 7:30. It's beautiful. So the plan, there is no plan. That is literally it, there is no plan. So we're trying to do 6 countries in 2 days. So we're in Switzerland, getting the Eurotunnel back to the UK. Well, we're in France. We're gonna go do Switzerland today. Gonna stop in Germany. Think we could be staying in Luxembourg tonight. We haven't actually got anywhere booked for this evening. Should be some good views. So we're now just droning in the thing. So we're using my drone on for Peter, and it just looks absolutely beautiful. Like this thing. So now we're near around Lake Geneva way.
There we go. Yeah, so we pulled over to get a Burger King. Peter's putting his car on charge, and that is looks foggy towards Germany.
And he's in Germany.
City in Germany that we don't even know where we are. So the Black Forest.
So we're in the Black Forest in Germany now, and we've just parked up. He's just gone to look. So I'm going to drive this car while he FPVs the drone. I'll show you what we're looking at. That's the view right now. The mountains, not too shabby. And a MacBook.
Some cracking.
So we are still in Germany at the moment. Peter's just droning. He's getting some cool little shots. I've just done mine. And we're on the way to Luxembourg. It's about a 4-hour drive, so it gets us there at about 7:30 this evening. But we're still in Germany at the moment. Done the Black Forest. Went Aldi, bought some absolute crap, whatnot. So time to head to Luxembourg. And this is us for the night now in Luxembourg in an Ibis budget.
I'll give you that. It does say Luxembourg, doesn't
It does see?
Maybe this one's in Belgium, that one.
Yeah.
Good morning. So just in that Ibis budget hotel. This is how we slept. That's how we slept because it's a budget hotel. So heading into Paris. It is 7:54. Flights at. No, we don't have. Oh no. The train back to the UK is about 8 PM. But if that, I think you got 2 hours either side. So hopefully it should be home for about 1 AM.
To Paris. So we've stopped off at this old F1 track. So this used to be an F1 track back in the day. So we've just got some drone shots. So we're at Chantilly sort of train station now. We're at Chantilly train station. And we are going to Paris. Mont Blanc yesterday, Louvre today. more could you want? So we're walking now to get some food with the Eiffel Tower there in the background. I am sweating. Absolutely sweating. So what's going on here? And it's a pizza.
It's like the Black Milton.
So we had a little crepe in a little nice cafe over in the tower. I'm still sweating. So we've only got half an hour left in the city now. Eiffel Tower. And then we get the metro back to the train station and then get in a train back to Chantilly. And Chantilly to the border. I love the way it follows you. It's like it's obsessed with me.
Those lights aren't distracting at all when it's pitch black.